My first stop in Brazil was a town called Campinas, a suburb of São Paulo, and I linked up with my friends Gregory and Nico for some fun.
Bem-vindo a Green Life.
Gregorio and Nico, aka David, here from Vista Quest.
What's up?
The gang's all here.
What's up, brother?
Essa é uma árvore no Brasil que chama Jaboticaba. This is a Brazilian tree. I'm gonna get our expert here to plant one of these beautiful fruits.
Damn, dude.
This is called Jaboticaba. It's a fruit tree, and the fruit grows directly off the bark.
I have never seen that shit before in my life. It grows right on the thing?
Right off of the bark. Come take a look.
Come in here.
Come on, get in.
Focus action.
We got minglers.
I'm gonna want you to grab one of those nice
Ripers?
ripers.
Oh, it comes off right quick.
Yeah. Take a little squeeze of that. Cheers, nice.
Oh, dude. Grab it.
Oh, nice. Take a little bite of that.
Wait. Do it slow for the camera, dude.
I just want you Green Life viewers to know. I have no context for what I'm about to eat. You know, kind of looks like a cherry, right? You guys know I'm always chasing tomatoes.
And there's a seed on the inside. Eat it.
Like swallow the
Don't
seed.
speed it up.
My whole life, yo, I've been waiting to get to Brazil, dude. Shout out to the Rainforest, Save the Rainforest gang, 4th grade shit.
What?
How do you say delicious in Portuguese?
Delicioso.
Delicioso. Yo, I'm gonna get one more.
Yeah, get a nice red one.
I'm not even kidding though, because like,
Different.
I waited my whole life to taste the tropics.
Yo, this tastes good, though.
Here, did you try one?
Oh, dude, have I tried it? I've had 7.
17.
17 of them.
Yo, it's your boy TPG, straight out of Brazil, dude. Green Life fam, you already know.
I'm his little brother, Eric.
This food is, these berries are actually super dank. Thanks for watching, dude. First of many Green Lives in Brazil. Keep exploring. I'm getting another one, dude.
Welcome to the Green